What's up everybody? Kimberly Olson here, also known as FitKim, and I am here to tell you guys about the biggest weight loss challenge I've ever done. I'm so excited for this because this is gonna help you guys hit your goals. It's gonna help you get ready for, post-spring break, heading into summer. Maybe your New Year's resolutions weren't quite happening the way that you thought they would. You need a little more accountability. You need some focus. You need some support. That's what this challenge is all about. And you guys know my story. Most of you do. I've lost 40 pounds. I was on 5 different medications. I don't take any medications anymore. I really, truly feel like I am living the optimal life when it comes to feeling energetic and happy and healthy and all that good stuff. So I want to coach you through this as well to be able to help you. And I'm co-hosting an event with a couple other of my besties that are here to help you crush it. So that's what we're going to talk about today. I just got a few minutes that I would pop in here really quick so I could share this out. So go ahead and put 1 in the comments if you're watching this live, put 2 if you're watching the replay. If you're new and you've never seen my videos before, put new in the comments. I'd love to connect with you. If you share this out, listen up. If you share this out, you will get bonus points because we are going to be keeping track of everybody's progress for the challenge. So if you share this out, put shared in the comments and you are already up and running for this challenge to win prizes because we're going to do big giveaways. I'm talking books, I'm talking coaching sessions, I'm talking weight loss products, I'm talking, I think I have to be careful saying that, weight management products. I'm talking cash gift cards that people can win when doing this challenge. So this is gonna be something for everyone. The challenge is going to be for people who wanna lose weight. It's gonna be for people who wanna lose body fat and tone up. And it's even gonna be for people who want to build muscle. So it's not just about the weight loss, it truly is about your individual goal, okay? So let me give you the lowdown. How it's gonna work. It's gonna start April 1st, okay? So what you need to do in the comments below, put challenge, okay? So I will, I'll set my little mini chat up here. Some of you are in my mini chat course. Gotta go ahead and set that up. I will set up a mini chat to come along, and if you put challenge in the comments, you will get a link sent to you to fill out to enter the challenge. That's all you have to do. Name your goal. There's different categories for prizes. You'll just have to fill that out. When you are done, if you're not already in it, join the group Rocking the Fab Life. So when you fill out the challenge registration form at the bottom on the confirmation page, it will say, here's the link for Rocking the Fab Life, and you're gonna join that group. In the events tab, everything will be inside the events tab, all the details. You can check in weekly in the events tab. You're gonna see every day in the group, you guys, we're gonna have recipes. We're gonna have meal plans. One of my personal training friends is going to put together a special workout series for you guys that are doing the challenge. It's all body weight and free weight stuff that you can do at home. And there's gonna be so much focus on just living and optimizing your life. It's not gonna be about counting calories, restricting anything. It's just going to be about your goal. So if you wanna lose weight, tone up, gain some muscle, whatever your goal is, this is gonna be catered to you, and it's gonna help you for 30 days be super focused. Because a lot of times we try to do it on our own, and then we have a temptation or we get stressed out and we're like, forget it, right? Or I'll start next month, or I'll start Monday, and it never comes, right? Or we stop, go. Well, I found that it's extremely helpful to have a community of people who are also trying to do the same thing. We've done a water challenge. We've done a sugar challenge in the group. We have had so much success, so many great stories of people losing weight, having more energy, sleeping better, their bodies are feeling better, their moods are improving, all from these challenges that we're doing to help you and support you on your journey to live the best life that you can live and be as healthy as possible. So that's what this is going to be all about. So let me give you guys some details. Just put challenge in the comments and you will get a registration link. You need to register for the challenge to be able to be eligible for prizes. We're keeping track of everything because we are giving prizes away in 3 different categories, okay? So you have to register to get in the challenge. You can't just join the group. You have to register, okay? I'm co-hosting this with, I think, 6 other girls. So we're all gonna be taking turns doing lives inside the Facebook group to encourage you, inspire, offer some tips, tricks, advice, all kinds of things that can help you. We'll have recipes, meal plans, workouts, videos you can do at home, inspiration. We're gonna have so much stuff to offer every single day. There will be new content in the group to keep you on track, okay? It's gonna be 30 days, April 1st through April 30th. At the end, we will be awarding prizes for each category. So the categories are weight loss, body fat, or gaining muscle, okay? So you just have to track it on your own. So however you need to track it. If you, weight loss is easy because you have a scale, make sure you use the same scale. before and at the end because scales are different. If you're gonna do body fat, you'll have to have your body fat checked. You can go on Amazon and get a little body fat caliper thing that you can use at home, or handheld one. Most gyms will do it for free. And then if you wanna gain muscle, same thing, you can have that tested, or you could even do inches, okay? So if you're like, oh, I wanna tone up, I don't really care so much about my weight. If you wanna do inches for your test, it's going to be percentages, okay? So your progress is going to be based on the percentage of weight loss, the percentage of body fat that you've lost, or the amount of muscle you gained is going to be based on percentages. So I'll leave that to you in your own devices of how you wanna track that. But you're gonna need a starting point and an ending point of some kind of metric to report in to be able to register for the challenge. So, and for the prizes, I should say. So share this video out. That will automatically give you some points to register you for this challenge. And then we are going to be doing all kinds of things to help you get more points, okay? So it's not just gonna be weight loss, it's going to be other things that we're gonna do throughout the challenge. It could be something like drink a green smoothie and you get some points. It could be, you know, go for a run and you get some points, or a walk. Do 10 burpees and you get some points. We'll come up with some different things that we can offer. We'll come up with that and we'll throw some little bonuses in so you guys can earn some extra points and really put yourself ahead of the competition to win some prizes, okay? Again, put challenge in the comments to register. The group is called Rocking the Fab Life. When you register, it's going to tell me who invited you to this challenge. So we'll be able to keep track of all that good stuff as far as prices go and all of the fun that goes with that as well. So I have to run, but I will be hopefully going live tomorrow on Rockin' the Fab Life to give you guys some more details around this. Until then, just register beforehand and we will get everything rocking and rolling inside the group Rockin' the Fab Life. Can't wait. All right, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for being on. Bye.